here in Charlotte, we started switching over to propane buses back in 2012. They came through with a big incentive to switch over. They gave, if you bought 4 buses, they gave you a 5th one for free. They put in the infrastructure, and we've had them ever since. We were just so happy to get away from the cost of keeping diesel buses running. Not only were the emissions horrible, it was the price tag of maintaining them as we needed them. It can be upwards to $10,000 to $15,000 to fix them properly. And what really sold me on propane buses was how they handled the Michigan winters. With the Roush propanes that were running, that 0 layer or 20 below, they would start right up just like a gas job or a diesel with plugged in. We save on fuel too, with gas at $4 or $4.50 a gallon versus I think it's $1.79 or $1.89 we're paying for propane. We have a tank on the property. It's real easy to manage. They come out and fuel it. So filling them has been really easy. The propane bus will outperform the diesel bus as far as takeoff and everything else. So they just really pull nice. If you're hesitant about switching to propane, don't be, because you'll be happy.